Well, just a little progress update on the Wilesco D32. I've been just doing some minor touch-ups. Got in trying to fire it up now. I've gone round here. I haven't been able to find exact match colours. So I've found some almost there. So rather than do too much painting, I've just done a few touch-ups on the rusty parts. But I've done the walkways and ladders again, and I thought I've got the colour right there. And I've done the cylinder, got that redone. All the red inside. The engine bays was done. I've sent off for a new control panel. I found a guy that does laser cutting and engraving, and that's not back yet. But other than that, I've just give it a really good clean. Really reluctant to take it apart at all while everything's going how it should be. Because at the moment it's really, I don't see any problems with it. It's functioning right. I know, I'm not sure about the pressure. Yeah, pressure. Yeah, look. Pressure gauge actually working now. So yeah, that was I turned it on just a minute ago. So yeah, pressure gauge is actually working. I didn't know that. I gave it a clean out. I took it off and I sprayed some carb cleaner in it, and just blow it through with an airline just slightly. But yeah, it just seems to be working. I want to put some oil on. I didn't know that was going to fire up so quick. I've got a little bit of oil in. I didn't turn it on a sec ago. Got the oil. Yeah, look, pressure gauge working. Pleased with that. Yeah, I only wanted a bit of carb cleaner in there and blow through. Ooh. Difficult doing it one-handed. Right, so I think that's, I'll have to turn that down now. The regulator, pressure's up already, so it's bubbling away there, so that should be going. It's got condensation in there at the moment, so I haven't run it for a week or two. Well, since the last video, really, probably the last time I run it. Here we go. There we go. It's running beautifully. It's been running beautifully. I'm really pleased with it. I'm so impressed with these D32s. I've got some nice models, but this is my favourite now. I managed to sort the clutch out and move that over because the whole shaft was moving backwards and forwards. Can't wait to get this control panel. That would really make it look, I mean, there's a bit on the, I can't find the exact colour of the silver. There's a bit there missing, in there, and a bit in there. But I could take them parts off and get them matched up, but like I said, it's going so well, I don't want to start taking it apart. Touch wood, at the moment, everything's doing what it should do. So yeah, that's looking much better. Very pleased with it. Really pleased with it. We've got the smoke coming out the stack. Where it should go. I'll turn this down a bit more. That little control panel, I didn't think it was going to help much, but it really works well. It stops. When I first turned this on, it just boiled. It just boiled. Steam was shooting everywhere. Now I control it, the voltage with that, I can get it running nicely on a much lower voltage. Yeah, it's working now. I'm pleased with that. Really pleased. I've given it some touch-ups, and then I've wiped it over with. I really give it some nice polish, just to really protect the paintwork. When it says here for all types of paint, I just had it on the shelf. I was using it for a car, so I've gone over the paintwork with that, just to protect it. But yeah, really pleased with this model. It's definitely my favourite. Very pleased. Yeah, so I can't wait to get this control panel back. And I'll do another video when I've got the control panel back, and then it will look. Then I'll be finished with it. Really, I'm not going to do too much. If it's, I'm guessing in the future I'll have to do more. But at the moment, while it's running good, I'm not going to stick with the theory. If it's not broke, don't fix it. There's no leaks or anything. It's running nice. So that's it for today, guys. Cheers.